I'm going to quickly cut across to Abhishek Mishra, who's on ground right now. Abhishek, over to you. Give us more on the commotion. All right, what's happening there? Rahul Gandhi has visited a temple. He's just stepped out. Tell us more.
Well, absolutely, Nabila. Rahul Gandhi has just came here and he was there at this polling station. And you see in the visuals how he is, interacting with the voters. He's there with the youngsters. And at the same time, continuously on the go. He, when arrived here in Rai Bareli, first went to a temple. And there he did the darshanas. And from afterwards onwards, he is now moving from one place to another, one polling station to another, having a check of what is happening. And that is why, as a candidate, Rahul is there everywhere and, making his presence felt. It is very important that the allegation which the BJP puts that Rahul and the Gandhi family, they are outsider, they no longer belongs to Rai Bareli. But as a candidate, as a member of the Gandhi family, his presence in Rai Bareli on the voting day is important, and that is why he decides to come here and is now on the way, going polling stations to station, having a look at the situation and how the voting is happening, interacting with the voters, interacting with the agents, and that is why Rahul Gandhi's presence in Rai Bareli has become more significant. Yes.
All right. Let me also cut across to Pooja Shali, who's right now in Rai Bareli. She brings us real perspectives from the ground there on the excitement with Rahul Gandhi coming into Rai Bareli. Pooja, we've not seen Rahul Gandhi extensively visiting Rai Bareli. Even when his mother was in power there, he would probably... I'm not too sure how many times he's made his way to Rai Bareli, but as for the first time, it came as a surprise for the people of Rai Bareli that Rahul Gandhi will be fielded. Sonia Gandhi was moved out. There was speculation that one member from the Gandhi family will be fielded, but they weren't sure if it would be Rahul Gandhi indeed, because there was expectations that he would come back to Amethi. So you've spoken to people on the ground. Give us more on the way they look at this politics. Rahul Gandhi contesting in Rai Bareli instead of his mother.
Well, it's been a Gandhi bastion since 1952, starting with Feroz Gandhi, then Indira Gandhi, then Sonia Gandhi from 2004 to now. And then she said, "Main apna beta saap rahi hu" to the people of Rai Bareli. So, amid all other factors, remember it is only in Rai Bareli, it is the legacy, loyalty factor for the Gandhis that trumps possibly all other issues. At least that's been how the pattern has been for the Congress party and for the Gandhi family in Rai Bareli. But we saw what happened in Amethi. We saw that despite Rahul Gandhi, who had won in 2014, lost in 2019 to Smriti Irani, can Dinesh Pratap Singh, who is the BJP candidate, and Thakur Prasad Yadav of the Bahujan Samaj Party, a triangular contest here, spring a surprise. Rahul Gandhi ensuring that there shouldn't be any criticism today. He is in Rai Bareli. He's gone to the temple. He's likely going to go to different booth and come where I am also reporting from. But it's going to be important as much for Rahul Gandhi because he has a lot of pressure on himself right now. If Congress party loses Rai Bareli to Dinesh Pratap Singh or to the BSP candidate Thakur Prasad Yadav, it is losing a bastion after Amethi. They cannot afford it. If they win, it will be the trust. But many here in Rai Bareli have said Rai Bareli deserved development much more than it has right now, and perhaps that should come to it. And point number 2, the loyalty factor of course is there. That will be versus the Modi factor. So Gandhi factor on one side, and then there is the Modi factor, which will this time emerge victorious. Like you asked, people who have spoken to Nabila have got some very interesting things to say. Those, let's say, above 50 were talking about and said this on camera. They said they want a strong leadership, progress for all. But a lot of youngsters between 20 to 24 said jobs, employment, no scam. So you decide, you decode what does that mean. But the fact is people are thinking in Rai Bareli, they will decide whether they want to go for how the history has been, the candidates of the family, of the party, keep that loyalty factor, ensure Congress knows the people can trust them, or perhaps bring a surprise.